We made it back to the terminal, whatever you call it. Now we're getting ready to go on another adventure. We just finished one, and now we're back with these crazy people, and we're gonna go walk around Nassau and see some things. Okay? Nassau, part 2.
Look, girls.
There's crabs in the water.
There are crabs in this water. Crabs roared out here. Yep. This might be the only wildlife that we see today. Wild leaf thing. Crikey. We're out far enough that we can actually see to the bottom. I put the camera under the water, they can't hear you when you do that. This wonderful ParoDeeJay special camera. Let's see what's under there though. Now we're back, and look at this, it's a wild turtle. Oh, it went. There's a fish?
It was big, it was like this.
This is less than award-winning footage, I'm imagining. But there needs to be a spin, because this is Jay's camera, and that's what Jay's camera does. It spins. Billy footage. Billy. Got a flower in my hair. I don't quite have the arm span that Jay does though. But we're gonna get run over here.
Oh, whoa. Yeah.
They're gonna run you over again.
We made it out the terminal. We crossed the street. We're still alive. Here we have a very historic fountain, I'm sure. I don't know anything about it, but it's a fountain. Look at that.
They're like walking.
No, it's not really. Okay.
It's not really historic.
I don't know that it's really. It's kind of pretty.
Teeny fish?
Yeah, actually. Under, you know, painted fish. Here we have a rare creation called a payphone.
Do you even know what that is?
Have you ever heard of a payphone?
She's like, wait, how do you text
Oh
on
my
it?
goodness.
Can you text on it?
Please send me a text on this payphone.
Fancy though, you can put a card in. Right there.
Look at all these exotic destinations, and none of them are Port Canaveral. Huh. So this is a very famous statue of a man who was made of copper or bronze and had unusual skin tone.
He's still yelling.
He has a very pretty patina. And behind us is Parliament Square. Oh, that's all right. Thank you. That guy wants us to go on a tour. Everyone still alive? Yes. Here's like the creepy gate to like the old abandoned place. That looks good. Here's the place where the sidewalk starts again. We're getting close to some things up here. We're approaching all the things. Hey.
Hi, I was checking my steps.
Are you enjoying this random walk? We're getting our steps in.
Yeah, it's good.
So guys, we're just going to tell you what to say, how to get to the other side. You got to do it on your own, okay? You don't have to give officers or pay people to guide the car. You don't come in with the guy as a courtesy. We just tell you what to say.
All right, we just met Tony back there. Tony was not on the walking tour, but Tony inserted himself into the walking tour, but he had a lot of good information for us.
It was good.
Is he
I've
back
seen
there?
him on YouTube before.
Have
actually.
you?
I have.
Oh, Tony. So now we're walking. We've made it to the Queen's Staircase.
Yep.
Tony's back there yelling cool things at us. I mean, they're historic cool things. We have the banyan tree, which we learned about on the other tour. Are you not excited to climb 1 billion steps up the Queen's Staircase?
Yeah, but it seems to me people go up and then they go back down.
Here we go. Oh, it's like Alton Hall all over again, except not quite that steep. Going up. We have Fort Fincastle. Look, you can still see the ships from here. Here we have some cannons so we could keep like marauders away from the cruise ships. Boom!
I am not a marauder.
No, you have to protect the ships.
Oh.
Okay, I've spun way more than I normally do. I don't know if I can actually stop now. Oh!
Yeah. Well, Jay, the tour guide, is still.
Just put, hey, there's a cannon up there too.
We had to leave him. So.
I didn't see that. This is a very historic Bahamian office chair. So much history. Look how much history it has. All right, we've made it down the stairs from Fort Fincastle, continuing our adventure. Here's a post box in case you need to post a letter. Ah, almost hit it. There we go, another building with some cannons. Providence House. We're making our way to Market Street. We've made it to Duke Street. I'm no longer leading, but I'm in the middle of the pack, but we've... Oh no, I don't like poles. I'm stuck in the Bahamas. All right, we're making our way to the front of the government house. We found some souvenir shopping. I can get me some sunglasses.
You could.
I wear my sunglasses at night though. It's the wrong time for that. Ma'am, I'm gonna have to ask you to put that down.
Not
Ma'am,
that noisy.
you can never tell me about making noise again. The Maraca man is coming to sell you some maracas. Maracas! What is this? Bahama socks. Bahama socks.
I almost blinded myself.
What happened?
Was in the inside. Yeah.
Oh, and then you tried to jam it in your eye. How many pairs of sunglasses are you wearing?
These are mine. Those are the ones I like.
They sell sunglasses big enough to fit my head. Wow.
There's some cute ones though. They're only like $9.95. So if you guys need a good place for sunglasses, I think I have a good selection.
And now we are headed, oh, there was some music. It's loud out here. We are headed to Diamonds International to go charm hunting.
Yeah.
Diamonds International, right here on Bay Street. Zoom. I don't know. Oh no! We got our little conch shell charms. I think everybody got a conch shell charm. Everybody got a bracelet, even you.
For everybody.
I said I already have a bracelet, so I got the charm. Yeah. Now we're headed back to the ship
Like,
for stuff and food and stuff. Yep, he was here playing Christmas songs last time. We're almost back to the ship. We'll see you back on board. Bye-bye. We're gonna put you on the YouTubes.
All right, ready?
We're just dancing. Your music is so loud.
Hey, they're on the Pride, and I'm on the Dream right now. Let's do a reunion at Sand Party.
we found Eden. Woo!
That's YouTube gold right there.
I was like, what are they doing? We gotta go back on now.
All right. All right, we're going to dinner now. We didn't even get to talk in the room. Oh my goodness. But, you know, all we say in the room is we're going to dinner. So, you know what? We're going to dinner. Hey, where are we going?
Dinner.
Okay, let's go to dinner.
I'm hungry.
We didn't really eat lunch because we were in Nassau all day long. All day. It was. So now, food.
Crumbs for you?
This is a very good year. A slight milky aroma. A little bit of chocolate notes. Oh, that's probably why.
I'm gonna get a milk mustache on my mustache.
C'est bon. Oh la la. Das ist gut. Look at that.
I don't know if it was because I got very good ones.
To the 88 Keys piano show. They've got the pre-show going in here already. We are back in the room. Did you know it? Could you tell?
I did, because the light doesn't work.
Hey, it's on now. Look, it's on. So it is bedtime.
Yep,
we did dinner. We went to the show. We went and got our picture, which I don't know if I'm editing that picture into this vlog or yesterday when we took it.
We should put it in both because it's that amazing.
Both videos. Yes. But we bought one picture officially.
They're good.
That's it.
Oh.
Is there a cat in the hall?
I think it's a child.
I really hear like meow in the hallway.
We saw 88 Keys and it was really good. The sound mixing on this shift was really, really good. And it all sounded good. It was all good.
Good. So good. You know what else is good? Going to sleep.
Bed.
We ran into Eden earlier.
Yeah.
I know we put her in here and she told us to say hi to Safi for her, which we haven't done yet. We have to seek Safi out and tell her hi from Eden.
Yeah.
And also, hi Eden, if you happen to be watching this.
I don't know if she watches, but hey.
Eden, watch the videos. She's on the Dream right now.
She's super sweet.
We were in port with them today.
Yeah.
But that's it. We're going to bed. Tomorrow is Freeport Day. We are going back to do what we did last time, which is the all-inclusive. We decided to do the open bar version, but no food this time.
That could be bad.
Good plan, right?
Not knowing me. Their drinks are not that strong. We'll see.
Margaritas. So, until tomorrow. Good night.
I finally get to swim tomorrow. Yay! I had to say that because I'm super excited, and that's really close to my face. Hello, camera. Ha!